My grandparents bought this house in 1963. Before my grandfather passed, he asked us if we were interested in purchasing the house, and we said, of course, this is all I've ever wanted. So we just spent a lot of time here and a lot of happy memories, and I am super excited to raise our kids here. My husband, on the other hand.
I'm terrified it's gonna turn into the money pit.
Let's go inside and take a look. Wow.
So pretty.
Beautiful,
This is
huh?
like being in a time warp from 1970s.
Well, definitely the puke green carpet should probably
Stay?
disappear. Not crazy about the wallpaper.
I think that I would like this a little more open, so when
Yeah.
you come in, it's not so
Crampy.
Yeah,
like,
we're not standing like this. Yes.
Let's go look at your living room.
There was always a living room. My grandfather sat in a chair right there.
I saw the spot where her grandpa sat, and there's actually scratch marks on the baseboard, which I figure was probably like a rocking chair, just constantly going back and forth, just wearing away at that. This is a working fireplace.
Yep.
Keeping this.
I'm definitely open to taking off the 1970s glass doors from the fireplace.
Yeah, we will throw this in a dumpster. Lose the carpet. Do we know what's under these carpets? Have
I think
anybody
there's wood
checked?
underneath. I think there's wood.
I'm pretty sure there's maple throughout the house.
All right.
This was the exterior porch. So the house ended here.
Right.
And then they closed in this porch, and then it was Grampy's office. So this is the only room in the house that isn't empty.
Uh-huh.
Because this was my grandfather's desk. This was just like one of the places I remember him always being and having that quality time with him. So I'm hoping that you can find some way to
Incorporate
keep
it
it
back
in the
in.
house and use it here.
Yeah, I could make it useful.
Awesome.
All right, let's check out some more rooms.
All righty.
We did a lot of eating here with my grandparents. My grandmother loved to cook, and the table was a big, like a place where we spent a lot of time. So I had thought about maybe doing like a built-in in the corner and like a bigger table so that we could continue that with our family. Like,
Okay. I love that.
Definitely pull up the carpet for sure, because as you can see, it used to be gold.
How does it go from gold to green?
I have no idea.
That will
We
go.
can replace it.
So I heard you want to keep Grandma's cabinets here.
Nana's cabinet.
Nana's cabinets. So what's the story with that?
When I come in here and I look at them, I think of my grandmother and just like to keep part of her around.
I like that idea.
They're not that bad.
They're not bad. They're not bad. You know, you change the hardware, change the hinges, give it some color. I mean, these are really solid cabinets, so we can reuse these and give them some new life. This is a good-sized room. So if we remove this old peninsula, we can give you a big island. The refinished original cabinets can go back in, but we'll update your appliances and maybe give you a cool new vent hood. Then we can do a big wraparound bench in this back corner for your dining area.
A nice space to prepare meals, then hopefully I'll cook more.
So we'll be holding you to it then.
I was just gonna say, I think you just got put very much on the spot. I think the wallpaper is worse up here because there's so much more of it. Your bedroom's right behind here.
Yep.
Yes.
You guys only have one bathroom.
We do.
Yep.
So we put a doorway here so
Yeah.
that you guys have access right from your bedroom into the bathroom. We definitely have to reorganize this all, make it work for you guys so you're not like bumping into each other in the morning when everybody's rushing out of the house.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
This, I gotta say, old wallpaper can be so tacky, but like, it's so cool. So you want easy access into that bathroom. So I think we leave that doorway there. We get you a new door here, getting you into the bathroom. I think your bed can go here. We'll fix the closet, give you a like nice little bench, lie in bed and look at that amazing view.
Sounds
Sounds
perfect.
perfect.
It's a sweet kind of love story. The grandparents raised their kids there and slept in that bedroom, and now 3 generations later, history's repeating itself. Anytime a family keeps the house in the family is just so special. What the hell? She kept saying she hears squirrels in the attic. I know the Madruga's budget is a big chunk of change, but it's so in need for an update. A typical gut job would be to go in there and just bash everything out. But since we're gonna reuse these cabinets, we're gonna just take our time and take it out piece by piece. Is it loose?
There we go.
Look at that. Oh, it's not, it didn't stain through. Wow.
Nope.
Yeah! There was a lot of stains on those carpets. Fortunately, the rug pads in that house were good, and they kept the stains from going into the wood, so I think we're gonna be real good there.
And it's picture frame.
Wow, this is so awesome.
Look at the herringbone in the corner, too.
Oh, this is so awesome. I know, like, in old houses, they would use the cheaper wood in the middle because they knew it would be covered over by a carpet.
Yep.
And then they put the more expensive, so we got maple and oak, which actually, when this sands up, is gonna make it look even so much better. For me, that fireplace never made sense. It's just in a weird spot. So I don't know what's behind those walls. What? Oh my goodness. What a waste of space. Wow, this is not what I expected. Yeah, like the chimney's way back there, so there's just all this space in here, and there's probably like, from the front to the back is like that much more space that could have been in the living room. I mean, I think if this thing was out of here, throw another window in there, and it's just gonna make this living room like a whole bunch better.
Dr. Jonathan Knight.
Ew. It looks like a Tyrannosaurus Rex or something. So under these nasty carpets were these amazing wood floors with these herringbone corners. We had to do a lot of patching when we took out the fireplace, but now that we put in the patchwork, the old floors and the new floors are kind of looking different.
Yeah, it's worse than I thought, but maybe some stain of a darker tone might help cover it. I feel like this is the moment of truth. This is like turning out to be like so orange and even really pinkish.
Yeah. Ooh. I don't like this one though.
Yeah, it looks like chocolate syrup and not in a good, tasty way. Oh.
Wow, that's dark.
All right, let's keep moving, yeah. Oh.
It looks red to me. Ooh.
Oh. If we had a client who was approving this.
I would use that in a heartbeat.
Yeah. But if we were springing it on someone without approval?
I would use that one.
No!
I mean, that one.
Maybe!
I would use this one.
Maybe!
Oh, damn. I would use this one.
Heck no. Okay, no, I think we're... I know.
I pointed to them all. What I think we learned here today is that Kristina doesn't understand how multiple choice questions work. One of the answers has to be right.
So I think we're like somewhere in here. I think it's just how dark do we want to go? I don't know if Grandpa's house wants to be this dark.
But it's not Grandpa's house anymore.
All right, so what I'm hearing is we're doing this one.
Yes. I mean, that's what drew my attention right from the beginning.
Great, we're done.
We're done. She's done.
Oh, it's blue. Yikes. I guess I wasn't expecting that. That's not white.
It's blue. It's not white.
No,
Nope.
it is not. I can't believe this is the same house that we left you with.
Blue it is.
Ooh, I don't know. I wasn't expecting like a bright color.
I'm ecstatic it's not white, to be honest.
Before, all the landscape was like overgrown bushes.
It was white with a lot of staining on it.
How do you like it opened up now?
Looks good.
I really like it opened up.
I think it just feels a lot more welcoming now.
100%.
But I just want to make sure, are we good with the blue?
Looking at it now, all together, all of it, I think it looks really good. I really do like it all. I love it.
I am so excited to get you guys inside and show you what we did. So let's go.
Let's go. There you go.
Holy.
Little different, huh?
Wow.
Grampy's family's
Maynard
farm.
Tucker.
That picture's really cool.
An ode to the past.
And have that piece of history like be such a focal point in the room is really cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, this is the same living room? Holy.
Talk about a transformation.
Yeah. I'm speechless in a good way. I like that it's nice and bright and open. I can see right here, like straight from here, I can see right out to the ocean.